Welcome to a new video about getting to know dog breeds. Today, we invite you to explore the fascinating world of German Shepherds, one of the most fearless, affectionate, and intelligent breeds in the world. These loyal, intelligent, and versatile dogs are admired worldwide for their grace, strength, and unwavering loyalty. In this video, we will talk about their history, types, health, and why some recent show lines have been criticized for altering and compromising the breed's original working strength. History. German Shepherds are large working dogs developed in Germany in 1899. Originally bred for herding and protecting sheep, their strength, intelligence, and obedience training ability have made them widely used in police and military roles worldwide. The breed was revered by soldiers returning from World War II, who spoke highly of these exceptional working dogs. However, the breed's popularity declined due to anti-German sentiment after the war, and was briefly renamed Alsatian, in honor of the Alsace region between France and Germany. This was reversed in 1977, restoring the original name. The breed traces back to Max von Stephanitz, who is credited with founding the German Shepherd dog at the end of the 19th century. Max believed the dog should be bred for work, and founded the Verein für Deutsche Schäferhunde, SV, which continues to uphold proper breeding and the preservation of the breed's legacy. This year 125 years. Since then, two distinct breeding lines have emerged. Working line. Loyal to its origins, with a strong temperament, straight backs, and healthy, powerful physiques. Pure line working dogs are considered by some to not be as beautiful, but they are the ones that most closely resemble the appearance and temperament of Max von Stephanitz's original dog. These dogs are used by military forces worldwide due to their physical condition, stability, and temperament. Show lines. They are show dogs, bred more for their beauty and perfect measurements according to the breed standard, than for their character and functionality. They are much more docile and have been criticized for introducing defects such as sloping backs and weakened hips, characteristics that have been seen at exhibitions to the horror of people around the world. There are also American and Canadian show lines. These shepherds are bred primarily for their beauty, striking appearance, and graceful movements for participating in dog events, but not for their temperament and functionality. These dogs often participate in competitions, displaying their confident demeanor and graceful posture. They have a lighter build compared to their European counterparts and are known for their approachable temperament. Most of them, unfortunately, have lost their fierceness. Their coats are usually two-tone black and fiery red, with the back much more drooping than the West German show coats. Although they stand out in shows, due to their friendly nature they make excellent family pets. In this video I will focus on my favorites, working line German Shepherds. So let's look at its features. Characteristics. The ideal weight for a male German Shepherd is usually between 38 and 40 kilograms, and females between 30 and 34 kilograms. Regarding the coat, if you keep it under control there is no problem. They shed a lot of hair twice a year, but with regular brushing and care it is manageable. There are different types of fur: short, medium and long. Those with short fur are easier to maintain. Now let's see color types of German Shepherds. The most popular German Shepherd is the bicolor black and fiery red. These dogs are the ones that appear in most advertisements and movies. They are very beautiful, strong, elegant, and their colors are very attractive. Bicolor footwear. It is a mostly black dog with brown legs and underside. An example is Bolya Na Ka, one of the exponents of this type of color and a great working German Shepherd, world champion. Solid black. It is exactly that. A completely black dog. He is one of the most striking types for people. Its beautiful black fur remains shiny. In addition, he has a great temperament that makes him an ideal protector and an excellent companion. With a solid black in your family, you will have beauty, elegance, love, and lots of protection. Sable. It is a mix of silver, gray and tan colors with black tips. The sable is considered the original dog that shares its DNA with its wolf ancestors. It is the only color that did not deviate from the ideology of its creator, Max von Stephanitz. He is a very intelligent and high-energy dog, with a strong but very stable temperament. It will be a true escort for your family and property. White. White German Shepherds are prohibited from registration in Germany. The Kennel Club, KC, registers them, but they are disqualified from showing. In reality, white German Shepherds are considered a separate breed and descendants of the German Shepherd, known as Swiss Shepherds. We will soon make a video just for them. Over the years, breeders have developed several types of German Shepherds, each with characteristics. Let's delve into their unique traits and discover what makes each type special. First, West German line of work. The German Shepherd of the West German line of work is famous for embodying the true essence of the breed. These dogs prioritize temperament over appearance, making them ideal for demanding tasks. They are larger than show shepherds with a strong, athletic build and stress tolerance. The most common coat color is sable, but they can also have tan black or sable and black bicolor combinations. These shepherds possess great intelligence and remarkable quick learning abilities and high energy levels, making them perfect for physical and mental activities to keep them happy and healthy. They need constant mental stimulation, exercise and tasks such as agility and fetch work. Also long walks. However, potential owners should remember that these dogs require great commitment as they thrive when given a sense of purpose. Second, Czech line of work. Originally from the communist era in Czechoslovakia, the German Shepherd of this line was initially developed to support the border patrol during this time of separation, so its genetics remain very pure. These dogs are known for their unwavering drive, exceptional agility, and high trainability. His slender, wolf-like appearance and robust energy make him especially suited to demanding roles. Czech working line shepherds share similarities with East German working line German shepherds, but they tend to be more agile and faster. They are intrepid workers and capable of adapting to new tasks. Owners should ensure that these dogs receive adequate physical and mental stimulation to channel their energy effectively. Reputable breeders always prioritize temperament and health over beauty. Third, DDR work line. They are the East German. They are just like the Czech line. It remained completely separated from the rest of the world for many years, so its genetics have remained intact over time, due to its fierceness and qualities that were a fundamental part of the surveillance of the Berlin Wall. It was developed in East Germany, focusing on resilience, strength and functionality. These dogs have a stocky build, stronger bones, and darker coat colors ranging from black to sable. Throughout this isolated time, they were carefully selected, prioritizing specific physical characteristics, such as having large heads, strong jaws, a solid base and a muscular and powerful body. Great speed, great physical resistance and incredible response power. In conclusion, he is the perfect dog. DDR Shepherds are loyal and very protective, fearless with a strong temperament which makes them reliable working dogs and devoted companions, but preferably for families who already have experience. Like other lines of work, they require training and a lot of exercise, and early and constant stimulation to thrive in their roles. And if you are thinking of having a German Shepherd, do not hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to advise you. And if we have a litter at that time, we would be happy that one of our puppies will provide protection to your family. As we have seen, German Shepherds are an extraordinary breed and each type offers unique qualities and characteristics. Whether you are attracted to the temperamental, hardy working lines, or the elegant show lines, there is definitely a German Shepherd suitable for everyone. Every family should have a protective angel like these in their home. But remember that having one of these incredible dogs requires a lot of commitment, patience and a deep understanding of their needs. Don't forget to give us a like, share the content and subscribe to Working Dog Sports Center. To watch our interesting videos about your favorite breeds, training and feeding tips and much more. Let us know in the comments what type of German Shepherd you have or admire. And see you in a next video. Now we leave you these beautiful images and videos of this wonderful breed, and until next time.